I got the old Toyota truck here in Littleton, New Hampshire. Hey, honey. And check out this. The General Lee Dodge Dart. That's pretty cool. Alright, we're here today in Bethlehem, New Hampshire. See right here, historic Bethlehem. Hi tubers, it's a great day here in Bethlehem, New Hampshire, and it's a busy road on Main Street. I saw some lawn tractors. Let's go check them out. And there's some other cool things too. It came up here in the long bed because we did a scrap metal run. Next to it is a Sears synchro balanced lawn tractor, missing the mowing apparatus. It talks about how it shifts. It's got the H pattern. Looks like a 3-speed with reversed. Or it's an 8-speed actually. Huh. I don't know, it has a high and a low, I guess. Anyhow, it's built by Sears. And pull it open. No, it's not going to let me. It's got the gas. I guess that worked at one point. Let you know if you had any gas in it. And it looks like, and there's the part of the carburetor there. Good tires with weights on the back. Pretty cool. As well as it has the hitch on the back. American flag. It's really a nice old cool machine, and it looks like it has you could run an accessory off the front, like a snowblower or something off the front of it. The Sears SS15. Alright, comrades, it's a busy road leading all the way to Mount Washington. There's my truck. There's something really cool. Look at this house. It really needs a paint job, but look what's up there. All kinds of Tonka trucks. Old ones, rusting. Kind of a neat patina. And then they have, down below, they have bird houses and art pieces. It's really neat. Haha. Welcome again to Corinth 1121, where the Dodge Dart lies right behind me, waiting for more attention as usual. I've been real busy fixing brake lines and keeping all these old junks going. Here lies the 4x4 extended cab. It needs an inspection sticker, but it's ready to go. Got the old Toyota out here. Been spray painting some rims. And I had a brake line blowout, guys. Right down here I have a new compression fitting here and on the other end. I replaced it once and it blew out, so I replaced even more line. And then I also undercoated this and an undercoating under there. Getting the old long bed ready to do some work. Got the Dart back there. Got the tire all spray painted there. And so I want to do a video. I've got a video coming up. I hope you guys enjoy, of some interesting lawnmowers and everything out in Bethlehem, New Hampshire. She's a beauty. Got the lettuce in this year. I have this little guy here to show you. Hello. It's a busy road. There's a lot of traffic coming here all the time. Busy, busy. Got the Toyota here again. The work truck. Lifted 4x4. My work truck back here. And I might put this up on eBay. What do you guys think? I want to fix it, but I kind of need money or a mechanic to work on it, because it needs a new carburetor. Something I could do. I really want to work on it actually, but I got so many different things to work on. Like I say, this is a good parts car. Rescued this from certain destruction. And I got my long bed project here, which is, this is a work truck. Just use it to move equipment, trailers, ladders, whatever, propane. My propane getting truck and scrap metal runs.